So as you can see, it's a new blockchain wallet, completely empty, zero balance. Okay, so we gotta find transaction and confirm in the wallet. Let's see. Transaction must be under the 0.07 BTC. Okay, yeah, that's the transaction I find. It's under the 0.07 BTC. Okay, 0.057555275. Okay, we're gonna confirm this transaction in the wallet. Okay, I'm scrolling up and down because of the watermark that showing on the screen, that number mark. Okay, so we're gonna confirm this transaction in the wallet. This is the wallet. Right click, go to inspect, wait for a few seconds, completely open that. Okay, then click to console. There's some warning, you must need to read that. Okay, scroll up. Yeah, stop. This browser feature is intended for developers. If someone told you to copy something here, it is a scam and will give them access to your money. So make sure you read this carefully. Okay, and if you have some balance in the wallet, or yeah, so make sure you have zero balance in the wallet. If you have something, you can transfer to any another wallet, or you can make a new blockchain wallet. Okay, so this is my own code, so I don't need to worry about that. But yeah, you must need to use empty wallet or new blockchain wallet. Okay, clear everything from here, and then paste the script. Right click, select all, right click once again, copy your script, and then minimize it and paste your script over here. Press the enter button. As you can see, box pops up open here. We just need a hash ID to confirm it. Copy to clipboard. Okay, then we paste it over here. Click OK. Do you want to send transaction? Yes, I want to send this transaction. Click OK. Once again, click OK. Close everything from here. Okay, and just refresh the balances to see the magic. As you can see, our payment received successfully in the wallet. Okay, so let me show you the date. Today's date, it's Friday 5th June 2026. Okay, let me show you the channel. This is the channel. This is the only channel I own. All channels are fake. People took my videos, edited them, and upload their channel to scam innocent people. So be aware from that. Okay, I'm scrolling up and down because of the watermark that's showing on the screen, that number mark. Okay, and this is the transaction. Maybe it will confirm right now during the video, but it will take maximum 1 hour to complete. So let's see. Yeah, it's pending, but it will confirm very soon. Okay, so take care of yourself. Goodbye, see you in the next one.